Residents of Hope Estate, Vieux Fort, say they are frustrated as overflowing garbage and worsening road conditions continue to create daily challenges. Residents say waste has been piling up because garbage trucks can no longer safely access the area due to the badly damaged road. According to residents, the garbage contractor advised that the road is in such poor condition that taking the truck through the area could cause further damage.
Garbage collectors said the road is too bad, they cannot drive up there because it's mashing up their truck. It's really a cause for concern, and for years we've been crying about that road.
They claim household garbage has not been collected for nearly 2 months, leaving bins overflowing while stray dogs tear open bags and scatter rubbish across the neighborhood. Some families say they have resorted to covering their waste or taking it elsewhere for disposal.
It's going on 2 months since the garbage hasn't been collected. Bins are filled and overflowing. Dogs are making a mess with the garbage. Residents have to find other ways to get rid of the garbage, including throwing it over a cliff.
Residents also say they have repeatedly raised concerns about the road over the years, but have seen little action. They argue that the failure to repair the road is now affecting basic services and leaving them feeling neglected.
Our cries fall on deaf ears. For lack of a better word, I'd say we feel neglected. In fact, neglect is the understatement of the year.
They are calling for urgent road repairs and the immediate resumption of regular garbage collection. I'm Christabel Obi reporting for Hot 7 TV News.